Hey y'all, it's Bree Journal. Welcome to my channel if you are new. Today I'm going to be doing a realistic morning routine. I usually let the sun wake me up and I will reach for my phone and get on TikTok or YouTube. Right now I'm getting on TikTok, just scrolling, seeing what's on my feed. And if you are new, go ahead and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. But when I decide to get up, I let out Zane, and he is usually staring at me through his crate. And he's always so ready to get out. He does his little stretch, so cute, and he does this every morning. He'll jump on the bed and then jump to me. It's so adorable. I love him so much. So we're gonna let out Zane. I'm gonna walk him to the door and let him out. And I love this door cover. It just keeps the bugs out. So I'll have that linked in my Amazon storefront. Then I will open my shades to let some sunlight in. And then I love this new lamp I got. It adds a little bit of extra sunlight because my apartment has the worst lighting. And then by that time, Zane is done handling his business. So I will let him in and then grab some food from his food bowl. And I will put that on my bed because usually he wants to eat right next to me. So I'll just plop that on my bed so that he can eat his food. And I was gonna say, oh, this is realistic, I don't journal in the morning, but I actually do, so that's surprising. I use my iPad to just jot down what days I work out, what days I upload on YouTube, the mood that I'm in, just things that I did for the day or the previous day. But right here I was planning a YouTube video on my iPad, so if you guys are interested in the template that I use, I made it myself. Go ahead and leave a comment down below and I will try to figure out a way to add a link so that you can use it if you're interested in that. So I'm just planning out a YouTube video, and I also planned out what I did yesterday as far as working out and all of that. And Zane is just having a ball with his food. And then once I'm done with that, I get back on my phone and I will scroll TikTok again. TikTok is obviously an addiction for me at this point. It's crazy. But I finished a milestone, or completed a milestone. I am able to add a website to my bio now, so that's exciting. So go ahead and follow me on TikTok at Bree Journal. And I also reached 1,000 followers, so yay to me. So if you guys are interested in following me on TikTok, then just follow me. I'll also have a link down below in my description box. Y'all know it's that one sound on TikTok that you love, that it's just all on your For You page. So that was me right here. And then I'm going to drink some water and show Zane some love. He's so spoiled and so adorable. So now I'm about to get ready to go to the gym. I'm going to make my pre-workout. This is the C4, and this stuff it works. It does what it needs to do. This stuff will have you running miles and miles. So I just use my Brita for some water, and then I'm just gonna use my C4 powder. It says it's also supposed to support with losing weight, and I think that's pretty accurate. I think I have the iceberg flavor. I'll have it linked down below from Target. But this stuff will have you itching and going to the bathroom because it has a lot of caffeine in it. So if you guys are interested in a good pre-workout, I definitely recommend this one. It definitely works, but be careful because I heard that it can raise your blood pressure. So while that pre-workout is kicking in, I'm going to go ahead and make my bed just to get that out of the way. We all know that making your bed does make you feel a little better in the morning, just to get something checked off your list. right after making my bed, I'm going to go ahead and brush my teeth, get the oral hygiene out of the way, and then I did my workout. I love the row machine. If you guys are interested, then go ahead and try it out. And then once I got back, I made a protein matcha shake. This is the first time that I mixed my matcha drink with my protein powder, and I definitely recommend. I just use almond milk and then this matcha love from Publix. It only costs $1.50, I think. And then I'm going to add in this collagen powder, and I also use the Trader Joe's pea protein. It's in the vanilla flavor, and it's pretty good. So I just add 2 cups of that and just blend it up. And I also add half a frozen banana. I don't know where that clip went, but that is to make it a little thicker. So this shake was amazing, and it gave me a little bit of energy. So love that for me. Have to use my smoothie straw. And then I'm just going to fold some laundry just to get some of my chores out of the way for the morning. There are always things that need to be done around the house, so I think it's really good to have a list of things that you would like to complete for the day. That is something that I also did. Just jotted down everything that I wanted to do, like fold laundry, put up dishes, stuff like that. So if you guys are having issues with not knowing what to do or not getting things completed, then I think it's good to just write it down on a sheet of paper or on your phone and just check off things that you would like for the day. And then after doing that, I just took a shower. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.